temperature was 30.21 inches and steady. At Gastonia, it was sunny. The temperature was 61 degrees. At Monroe, it was sunny. The temperature was 61 degrees. At Rock Hill, it was sunny. The temperature was 61 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 57 at Hickory, 59 at Shelby, 60 at Statesville, and 51 at Asheville. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 60 at Greensboro and 64 at Raleigh-Durham. At Wilmington, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 67. At Fayetteville, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 66. In South Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 59 at Greenville-Spartanburg and 65 at Columbia. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Charlotte Airport, it was 62 degrees and mostly sunny. Now for the official national weather. Performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability may be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, occurring when you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous gases and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Norton, Staley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test.
It would have been a perfect activation if you win.
Forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Today, mostly sunny. Highs around 70. East winds around 5 miles an hour.